Well, you are joining us today at SKYN Med Spa. I am here with one of the owners. We're talking about all the incredible procedures and treatments that they offer here. We're right on Concession Street. Hi, Candace.
Hi, good morning. Welcome back.
Thank you so much
Hi,
for
everyone.
having us. This is amazing. You're going to demonstrate, first of all, the stretch mark and scar concealment that we talked about a little bit when we were here with the BIA. Tell me a little bit more about it.
So this treatment is truly life-changing for so many. When I first brought it here about 8 years ago, we're really female-based. Like a lot of females come in here. The amount of people we have helped with this life-changing treatment, from surgical scars, injury scars, like you also self-harm. It is like vitiligo. There is numerous that we have helped, and we really want to showcase how well it works. It is a form of a tattoo.
Okay.
So we didn't get to explain that last time. So it's a form of a tattoo. We use inkless rejuvenation, which is a form of vitamins and oils that we deposit into the skin to fix texture. Then we curate a blend, which looks similar to here. We make flesh tone colored inks, and then we deposit flesh tone colors right into the area.
Oh, that's really neat. Okay, so you're going to demonstrate a little bit of the procedure on us?
Okay, so come on here with me. So right now we have our beautiful model. Thank you so much for being here with us. So these stretch marks are 30 plus years old, and we're also going to be concealing her tummy tuck scarring. So the first thing we go in, if you can take a look here, see how some of them are textured and also flesh toned? So we go in with inkless rejuvenation, which fixes all the texture. And then afterwards, we mix a customized formula that is
matched perfectly to her skin tone.
Matched perfectly to her skin tone.
Oh,
and we deposit it right into the unhealthy skin.
Does it hurt?
To bring it back. It is a form of a tattoo, but not traditional.
Because that's like my number one question. I'm like,
exactly. So
does it hurt?
No. It doesn't hurt. So I want to say maybe a scale of 2 on a 10.
Oh,
that's typically what we hear.
And you know what, women, we can handle so much pain.
Absolutely.
We have babies. We're good. We are good. Okay, so how long does each treatment take normally?
It can take anywhere from a half an hour to an hour. It all depends on the area and like the surface that we're doing here.
So here are a couple of examples on kind of before and after this treatment process. I mean, you have so many people that come in here to get these scars covered up. Wow, some of them are just dramatically different, and you can see such a huge difference. And it's all just by tattooing with their own color of skin pigmentation over their scar. And it lasts forever?
So in our industry, we don't typically say forever, but it's a form of a tattoo, so it can be anywhere from 25 to 35 years, like 35 years lifespan.
Okay, that's incredible. Okay, so as Candace continues
so you can come on in, come a little closer, take a peek.
Okay, as we're taking a look at that, coming up, we are going to be doing laser tattoo removal. We'll talk about treatments for your face and pretty much your entire body here at SKYN Med Spa. Lots more coming up on Morning Live. Well, I am now the model here at SKYN Med Spa, and it doesn't hurt at all. Like, there's a little bit of a pinch, and it's the cool peel that I'm getting, correct?
Yes, so this is the Cool Peel Laser. This is a revolutionary technology. It is a CO2 device, and what this does is helps with any type of anti-aging concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, texture, acne scarring, any type of scarring whatsoever.
Sunspots.
Sunspots,
I
age
have
spots.
so many of those.
And this is so amazing because what this is doing is putting tiny, tiny microscopic little holes into the skin in order to rejuvenate and to create new skin cells, creating new collagen, elasticity, fibroblasts, literally everything our skin needs to be the best it can be and for rejuvenational results.
You can actually see like the tiny little holes, like the little pricks that it's putting in.
Yes, so all of these little holes are the absorption of water, and that means those little spots, that skin has now been taken out, and your body is going to rejuvenate itself from this point forward. So
like evaporates it kind of.
Yes, so you can expect to see a transformational difference within 2 weeks. These are going to turn a little bit darker, and they are called MEN. So what that stands for is microscopic epidermal necrotic debris.
Okay.
Very fancy word, but basically meaning that tissue is coming up and out of the skin.
And it's working.
And it's working. And as soon as that skin is rejuvenated underneath, you're going to have a fabulous result, and they'll flake off when they're ready.
Okay, now in terms of the downtime.
Downtime is very little with this machine because it's a fractionated CO2. Fractionated means that it's only putting little holes, keeping the surrounding tissue intact. And how that helps is that it helps to minimize swelling. It helps to minimize a lot of the swelling. You can expect to see a little bit of mild swelling and a little bit of redness to the skin today. It will feel like a hot sunburn for about 1 to 2 hours. This will subside, and then tomorrow when you wake up, you'll only see a little bit of pinkness, and all those little dots are going to start to turn brown.
That is so cool.
Right?
And then you've got another procedure that you guys do here that's a little bit more intense. Tell us quickly a little bit about the Tetra.
So the Tetra, this is the same device. So the Cool Peel has a patented technology where it allows technicians and medical professionals to do either 1 or 2 settings. So the Cool Peel is a much more minimally invasive treatment, whereas the Tetra is a more full ablative resurfacing where there's lots of downtime. So you can go from, like you see in that photo there, you can see a much bigger difference with
incredible.
One treatment. That's only 2 weeks apart.
It's remarkable.
Insane. I know. So this person is extremely happy. She will need 1 to 3 treatments because we are targeting deep lines and wrinkles, extreme perioral lines, like smoker's lines, as they call it.
For sure.
And she's already had her 2nd treatment and loving life.
Amazing. Okay, well, thank you so much for this. I'll keep everyone posted on my downtime on my hand, but I don't feel any pain whatsoever at all. Coming up, we're going to be doing something called a Hollywood facial, the Hollywood carbon peel. Sounds bougie, doesn't it? That's next on Morning Live. Stay with us. At SKYN Med Spa, they have so many amazing different treatments, and this one, brand new, is called the Hollywood Carbon Peel. Candace, tell me a little bit about this. This is quite intriguing.
Peel is absolutely amazing. We are excited to have it. We're the first clinic in Ontario to actually have it.
This is cool.
So you start with applying a carbon ampule, and while we're it's basically when we're pulsing, it's attracting and evaporating any type of discoloration. So we have from like melasma, age spots, even like fine lines and wrinkles. Like it really helps to like even out a skin tone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Is it painful?
It's zero pain, no downtime. It is the easiest treatment to get done.
So this laser is targeting like the melanin in the skin.
Yes, it
in
is.
the cells, breaks it up, and once the melanin is broken down, the body naturally will just take care of it.
Evaporate it. So treatments are typically once every 4 weeks.
Okay.
And for a series of 3. That's where you see optimal results.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can actually win this treatment. So we're doing a grand giveaway. So it's $10,000 giveaway for one lucky winner. So you can enter to win on our socials. And we have a ton of female-based businesses in Hamilton that all came together to make this grand giveaway.
Oh, that's incredible. So and you guys are doing the laser.
So we're going to be doing laser giveaway, so laser facial giveaways. We're going to be doing all skin, so stretch mark and scar concealment, filler and Botox. We have photography. We have guided paint, like curated paint, paint parties.
Fun.
We have, local branding.
Oh, that's awesome.
We have a ton of giveaways. We have giveaways from Binbrook Balloons.
And I love the fact that it's all women-based businesses.
It's all women and local. Like we're huge supporters in supporting local.
That's incredible. Yeah. Well, we know that you do a ton of different treatments here at SKYN Med Spa.
Yes,
of course, we're going to be talking about the tattoo removal. You did see the stretch mark and scar concealment, which is very unique. You were very unique in bringing this to the spa.
Thank you.
You were trained in Brazil?
Yes, I was.
That's remarkable.
Yes. One of the places. So it was like I've been trained 5 times now.
Wow.
I feel like you should never stop your education.
It's true.
It's very important.
Okay.
Like the industry is always growing.
Yeah.
And you should always be present.
What's your social, just so if people want to enter?
So it's SKYN Medical Spa.
SKYN Medical Spa.
Yes. And we're also on Facebook, SKYN Med Spa.
Okay, amazing.
Yes.
Okay, you can continue on the treatment. Coming up, we are going to be talking about another type of facial that they do offer here at SKYN Med Spa. But for now, we send things back inside the studio. Okay, so here we are back at SKYN Med Spa, where we're doing laser tattoo removal on a very brave patient, because I feel like this would hurt. It stings a little bit. Candace is doing an excellent job, and the tattoo that this patient has in the middle of her back, how old is this tattoo?
Okay, so this tattoo here is about 30 years old. We just did this tattoo 2 days ago. So take a look here.
Wow.
It was extremely dark and blue, black and blue. So we can do all different tattoo removals. So from colorful tattoos to traditional black ink and blue ink. So this is just one session that we did, and it lifted so much pigment. I say she'll probably need 3 sessions.
Yeah.
And so anyone that has unwanted
because
tattoos.
I mean, like you do something when you're young, right? And you kind of think, maybe that wasn't the best decision. And when you get a little bit older, you think, I don't really like this anymore.
So now there's a solution.
Yeah, and sometimes it's a bit of a
safe
confidence thing, right?
Yes,
and I think that has a lot to do with the stretch mark and scar concealment that we talked about earlier. Like,
yes, with
some
stretch
people
marks,
don't wear shorts.
We have some patients that come in and they are so empowered afterwards. They're like, they were basically held hostage in their own brain, like crippling, having like stretch marks or scars. And once they've had treatment done, they can
or tattoos that they don't want anymore.
Yes, we get messages all the time saying like how grateful they are that they can actually showcase their skin out, wear shorts for the first time, wear a sundress.
Yeah,
like it's really empowering.
It's incredible.
So we feel rewarding that we're even here to like help the community as much as it's a elective treatment.
Yeah.
Sometimes like it may happen accidental, like an accidental scar, or a surgery like an appendix that exploded.
Totally.
Or like a sport injury.
C-section.
Yeah. So sometimes like it could be. Like it's a very rewarding job that we do here. Yeah, so
and this is just one of the treatment options you offer.
This is just one of many. So you can visit our website. We also have weekly treatment
here. We got a lot of cool.
More extreme pain.
What to do to kind of take care of this after?
So post-op, we usually do a calming mask on her to cool the skin down.
Okay.
And post-op is regular wound care. So it could be A&D ointment, Aquaphor, polysporin.
So lots of treatment options.
And just like typical. Like once you have an injury, so you wouldn't submerge yourself in like a sauna, hot tub, excessive sweating, like working out. But it's really easy maintenance.
All right, well, thanks so much for having us today, Candace. We've really learned a lot about all the various skin treatments that you do offer here. What is your website if people want to get a hold of you?
So it's skynmedspa.ca.
skynmedspa.ca. Well, thanks again. It was a real pleasure.